Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage push notifications on Instagram threads. And to do this, we'll need to click on the profile in the bottom right corner of the screen, then click on the two lines in the top right corner of the screen and here enter notifications. Now you can see push notifications options. There's a pause all, which will stop all notifications for a certain amount of time. You can switch between 15 minutes, to 8 hours. Then we can go for threads and replies, and you can customize your likes, replies, mentions, reposts, quotes, and first threads. There's also following and followers, new followers, accepted follow requests, account suggestions, pre-followed, user joined threads, and from threads, daily digest, reminders, product announcements, follow suggestions. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.